Let's start off by adding a tablespoon of butter into the pan. Let's wait for the butter to melt. You can use a spatula to spread it across the pan. Once the butter has heated, add the following or the veggies of your choice. 1 cup shredded cabbage, a tomato that is chopped, an onion that is chopped, a cup of chopped bell peppers. You can add different colors to make it look colorful and appetizing. You can add the veggies on the bun without cooking them, but it would be raw and children especially wouldn't prefer this. Hence, I'm cooking the vegetables a bit. Stir all of the added ingredients. Keep the flame on a low. Now add half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Give it a stir and let it cook for a while before adding in half a cup of boiled sweet corn kernels. Continue stirring. Let this cook till the vegetables are half cooked or cook it till you desire. Please stir it in intervals to prevent it from burning. The veggie mix is done. Now switch off the flame. For the next part, take 4 bun halves. I am just showing 2 over here. Use your fingers as shown and press to make a hollow shape in the center so we can fit in the vegetables. Do it for all the 4 halves. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup or pizza sauce on the bun. Spread it across the bun. Once that's done, it's time to add the cooked veggie mix. Add a generous amount on the bun. Over this, sprinkle some grated cheese. Or the cheese, better the taste. You can use mozzarella cheese for better taste. Now season with oregano or pizza seasoning and some chili flakes. Also, do not worry if you don't have chili flakes at home. You can prepare it within seconds. Take a few red chilies and grind it till you obtain the result. That's it, your chili flakes are ready. You can even store it for 2-3 months in an airtight container. Now into the same pan, add some butter for greasing the pan. The flame should be on a low as we don't want the base of the bun burning. Now place the bun gently on the pan. Close the pan with the lid. You will have to let it sit till the cheese melts. This may take around 5 minutes. Once you see the cheese melted, remove the lid and gently transfer your bun pizza to a plate. You can make all your bun pizzas in the same manner. And here your delicious bun pizza is now ready to be served. Enjoy!